Hi guys, I'm gonna do a minifigure review, and I hope you enjoyed. And I have 7 minifigures, so let's get ready to. So let me show you the first minifigure. Mom. Second minifigure from the Lego Ninjago sets. He's Lasha. Third minifigure. He's from the Tanker Truck, I think. Nice cap. My favorite color is blue, so I just took this, like I said, because it has blue. Fourth minifigure from the Lego Fire sets. And the real face is over here. And I'm doing a review. Oops. So, hope you could see it. Just good open. And close. Let's move on the fifth minifigure. This is from the Fire set. Has a nice red cap. Fire cap, I guess. Details on the back. The thing I really like about is I wish they had a walkie-talkie, but I like the walkie-talkies on the dress instead of a real walkie-talkie. So I guess so. Really good facing. Details on the face. Sixth minifigure. Fire sets also has the same fire cap. The face is different. Details on the back. Not the same, kind of. But it does have the picture of the fire sign. And details on the face is pretty good, I guess. Okay, let's go on our last minifigure. Man, this is getting tired. So, here it is. Silver cap. I suppose he's a chief. Yeah, because whenever I see like the other colors of the caps, I guess it's a chief. The chief has a better dress than all of them, and walkie-talkie on the back. Really nice details on the good things. Let me just do a 360 again. Okay, here it goes. 3, 2, 1, go. Slowly. Like the details on the body. part. Almost there. So now we're done with this video, and hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.